Hello, everyone. Today we will discuss about report texts. Are you ready to learn now? Let's do it. Look at the following picture. Do you know what this phenomenon is? It's a rainbow. When do rainbows usually appear? After rain. Let's read. Rainbow. A rainbow is a beautiful optical and meteorological phenomenon that often appears in the sky. It is known for its spectacular arc of colors and is commonly seen after a rain shower when the sun is shining. This phenomenon occurs when sunlight is refracted, reflected, and dispersed in water droplets. The light bends as it enters the raindrop, reflects off the inside surface, and bends again as it exits. This process separates the sunlight into its component colors, creating the visible spectrum. The classic rainbow displays a sequence of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A primary rainbow has red on the outer part of the arc and violet on the inner side. Sometimes a fainter secondary rainbow can be seen outside the primary one, with its color order reversed. So, what is report text? A report text is a factual text that describes, classifies, and provides objective information about a general subject. For example, animals, plants, phenomena. Before we learn more about report texts, let's look at an example. The left side is the generic structure of report text, which consists of general classification and description. In this text, the first paragraph is general classification because it directly introduces and classifies what a rainbow is in general, stating it is a beautiful optical and meteorological phenomenon. The second paragraph is a description, containing details about the scientific process of how a rainbow occurs: refraction, reflection, and dispersion of light in water droplets. The third paragraph is also a description, as it describes other specific characteristics, namely the sequence of colors and the difference between a primary and a secondary rainbow. This is part of a comprehensive explanation of the subject being discussed. On the right are the language features of report text, each marked with a different color. The language features of the report text, rainbows, are clearly identifiable. It uses general nouns like rainbow, phenomenon, and colors. The text includes technical terms such as refracted, dispersed, and spectrum to explain the scientific process. It also employs action verbs like bends, reflects, and separates to describe the light's behavior, all while being written in the present tense as seen in appears, is, and displays. To state general facts. Generic structure of report text. 1. General classification introduces the topic broadly. Example: a rainbow is an optical and meteorological phenomenon known for its spectacular arc of colors appearing in the sky. 2. Description: details about parts, habits, behavior, or types. Example: this phenomenon occurs when sunlight is refracted, reflected, and dispersed in water droplets, creating a spectrum of colors. Sometimes a fainter secondary rainbow can be seen with its color order reversed. Language features of report text. The language features of report text consist of 4 elements. 1. General nouns. Nouns that refer to general groups, not specific individuals. 2. Simple present tense, used to state general facts or scientific truths. 3. Technical terms, specialized or scientific words related to the topic. 4. Action verbs, verbs that describe behavior or processes. So, what's the purpose of report text? First, To inform readers about a topic scientifically is reflected in the use of optical and meteorological terms, such as refracted, reflected, dispersed, and explanations of the physical process. The light bends as it enters the raindrop, separates the sunlight into its component colors. Second, to classify and describe a general categories is seen in the first sentence, which immediately classifies a rainbow. A rainbow is a beautiful optical and meteorological phenomenon, and continues with a general description of its appearance when it occurs and its structure. Third, to present facts, not opinions, is evident because the text contains only factual statements about the rainbow's formation and color sequence. The description of the rainbow as beautiful is a general classification and not a personal opinion, while the rest of the text focuses on objective, verifiable processes and characteristics. Let's test your understanding of the report text. 1. What is the main purpose of the text above? A. To tell a story about finding a rainbow. B. To persuade readers to protect the environment. C. To compare different types of weather phenomena. D. To explain how a rainbow is formed and its characteristics. The answer is D2. According to the text, what is the correct order of colors in a primary rainbow? From the outer to the inner part of the arc? A. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. B. Red, yellow, green, blue, violet, indigo, orange. C. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. D. Green, blue, indigo, violet, red, orange, yellow. The answer is C. 3. The word dispersed in the second paragraph is closest in meaning to A. Combined, B. Separated, C. Brightened, D. Hidden. The answer is B. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Bye-bye.